How to fix privacy settings to prevent you from joining this server. So there is a possibility that you have actually turned off or set it off. Then what you can do is to go here to your Roblox here, tap on Roblox, and then it will lead you to your homepage. The next thing that you want to do is on the lower part, or bottom part, you'll see the three dots there. Tap on three dots and scroll down up until you see settings icon or settings section. Now here on settings, you'll see account info, security, privacy, so on and so forth. Then tap on privacy here. Now here on privacy, you have to make sure that you have actually set your settings on privacy for joining the servers. You'll see here other settings. You will see who can make me a member to their private server. Now here, if you tap on this, it's currently set on friends. So let's say a stranger is trying to let you into their server, then you can tap on everyone there. And now you have successfully fixed your privacy settings to prevent you from joining this server. And basically that's it. That is how you fix privacy settings to prevent you from joining server. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.